Security in and around Minneapolis has been stepped up in recent days as the Derek Chauvin trial wraps up. About 1,000 National Guard troops stand ready to assist police if any trouble erupts. The former police officer faces charges of second and third degree murder as well as second-degree manslaughter following the death of George Floyd last May. On Monday, the defense and prosecution will deliver their closing arguments. It will then be down to the jury to make a decision. David Schultz from Hamline University's Department of Legal Studies says the pressure on the jury is immense.
Given the fact that they're all from the community, haven't seen what happened last year across Minneapolis when George Floyd was killed, I have to wonder how much they're thinking about, what if I acquit? What happens? What if I do whatever the verdict they reach? What are the implications of that? Even though they're not supposed to think about that, I don't know how they cannot.
The defense introduced just 7 witnesses over 2 days. With Chauvin deciding not to testify, it means the jury must weigh the opinions of the expert witnesses. Prosecution experts told the jury Chauvin was directly responsible for Floyd's death.
A healthy person subjected to what Mr. Floyd was subjected to would have died.
While the defense argued there were other factors in Floyd's death, including drug use and a heart condition, and that Floyd would be alive if he had complied with police commands.
I felt that Derek Chauvin was justified and was acting with objective reasonableness, following Minneapolis Police Department policy and current standards of law enforcement in his interactions with Mr. Floyd.
If Chauvin is found guilty of second-degree murder, he faces a maximum penalty of 40 years in prison, while second-degree manslaughter carries a maximum jail term of 10 years. But experts predict even if Chauvin is found guilty on any of the charges, it's unlikely to be the end of the matter.
They've raised enough motions about change of venue, about requesting juries to be sequestered and so forth, that we can pretty much guarantee that they're going to appeal this case.
Some 16 kilometers away, clashes continue between police and protesters following the death of Dante Wright, who was killed last Sunday during a traffic stop, also by a white police officer.
They think that killing is okay and think that they got a badge and a gun that it make it justifiable, and it's not. You know, it ain't just one killing when you kill one person. It's multiple deaths. It's multiple families grieving. It ain't just that family that you kill, it's the nation. You break it down a whole nation when you kill one person. It ain't just about black lives, it's about all lives matter.
This is a city on edge. There is both deep anger and heartbreak, and the next few days could have real significance, not just here, but across the country. Dan Williams, CGTN, Minneapolis.